How to earn money from home without any investment. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn money from home without any investment. I'm actually going to share with you 6 different ways on how you can get started from the comfort of your home to earn money. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, I just came up with even 2 more ways here on how you can earn money online from the comfort of your home without any investment. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you on these ways that you can get started to earn money from the comfort of your home there. If you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how you can get started to earn money online from home without any investment. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing that we can do is we can apply for being a transcriber. There is a lot of sites actually online. I'm going to share with you 2 here today. This is GoTranscriptcom. GoTranscriptcom, and if you go to the section where it says being a transcriber, for transcriptionists work here actually. Basically they do have an affiliate program here as well, so you can earn commissions by referring people, but apply for this one here first off because you get actually paid up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, and you can see here the average earnings per month is $150. Now this is a great way to actually get started, doesn't require any previous experience at all, I would say, because all you need is actually to have a good pair of headphones, and of course you need to get started to type there. Now there is a few other sites, so you can't only rely of course on $150 average earning per month there, but you can see that if you are good at this you can actually earn of course much more. But what you can do is you can become a transcriber at other sites, apply for being a transcriber at other sites. One of these is Revcom, and if I go here and scroll down we can have a look at the freelancers section. You can see here as a transcriptionist you can earn anywhere from 24 to 90 cents per audio video minute. Basically you can be a video captioner also, which is pretty much the same here, and you can earn anywhere from 45 cents up to 75 cents here. Okay, so if you happen to know a foreign language, you are definitely in for a treat here on Revcom, because you can earn anywhere from $1.50 and up to $3 per audio video minute there. As I said, there is a few other sites, but you can get started with these 2, and basically I'm going to share with you another opportunity where you can also go and sign up for as a transcriptionist. So make sure you stick till the end here. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to do some micro tasks. You can do this on mturk.com, which is one of the most popular. You go to the section where it says learn more here, and you can quickly see make money in your spare time. You get paid for completing simple tasks here. So it can be anything from like tagging objects here, helping companies select the best picture, audit user, classifying. You can see that there is tons of opportunities here. Data verification and cleanup, for example, data processing. And there is actually more similar sites where you can apply for doing micro tasks here. One example is rapidworkers.com. You get, for example, 10 cents. You get paid 10 cents here for just voting for a video here. If you want 12 cents. You just have to follow someone on Twitter. So these are super easy tasks that you can do. You're definitely not going to get rich, but you can definitely earn some good extra money with this. It goes fast, so I mean you can quickly earn a few bucks here. Alright, let's move on to something else here, and it is data entry. So basically you can do data entry jobs on Amazon's MTurk, and of course on Rapid Workers. There is Micro Workers also, but there is also a site like clickworker.com. If you go to the section where it says earn money as a click worker, you can see here they always looking for users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. So how it works is that you just sign up for a free account, and you work independently, your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and of course or a mobile device with an internet connection. And it's totally up to you how much you want to work with this, of course. You can see here there is text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, app testing, and photo capturing. A lot of opportunities that you can earn money from the comfort of your home, of course, here on the Click Worker. Let's move on to something else, and that is to become a virtual assistant. One of my favorite sites is virtualassistantjobs.com, and basically you can apply for data entry here, of course, if you want to. It could be call center, whatever comes into your mind, you can get started here and apply and search for it. You might be available only to do this on part-time, so you can search for part-time, flexible, with contract. So basically if I just tick off here and take part-time and flexible, you can see that there is 315 matching records here. So a lot of opportunities actually. I mean, if I just type data entry, for example, I think I will get a few results here back. So yes, of course, you can see here closed captioning typists, $17 to $20 per hour. So as I said, a lot of opportunities actually here on virtualassistantjobs.com. Alright, if you liked what you see so far, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. And let's move on to the next opportunity that we can do from the comfort of our home there. It can be actually to do online tutoring if you're good at something, math or English or something like that. One site is chegg.com there. Okay, there is also the, let me see here, vipkidteachers.com, which is basically they teach English here, and you can see you can earn up to $22 per hour teaching English online. You pick your own hours, you be your own boss, and of course you do this from your home. Okay, so it's a great way. You can search for a lot of other options here. It doesn't have to be English only, so don't limit yourself there. So have a look at it, search online. Chegg and VIP Kid Teachers are just two options here. Alright, let's move on to something else, and that is to become a freelancer. Here it totally depends on your skills, but as I said earlier here, you can actually apply for transcription jobs. So if I just go for transcription here, look at this. You see that there is tons of opportunities here that you can apply for. Okay, you can see here 1,000 plus, so there is a lot of potential earnings here actually as a transcriber. So by just opening it up here, you can see quickly that it's not only 10 minutes of audio, because probably it is much more. So for 25 minutes this lady, she charges €14.22. This is approximately $15 actually. And of course if we go a little bit higher, like 16 minutes, it is 33, approximately around $40 here. So it can be actually, you can apply for data entry as well here. Okay, pretty similar tasks, so don't limit yourself to only one site here, alright? But if you're good at graphics, for example, you can apply for that. If you're good at video editing, you can of course apply for that too, and of course work with it from the comfort of your home there. There is other popular freelance sites like Upwork.com, there is Freelancer.com, there is People Per Hour, so a lot of options actually that you can apply for here as a freelancer. Alright, I think that we probably have passed the 6th one, so now let's get into the bonus methods. So the bonus method number 1 is actually you can be an affiliate marketer, and the good thing with affiliate marketing, as I usually say, is that you don't have to deal with shipping, you don't have to deal with anything at all. All you need is just grab a link and promote that offer, whatever it is, and of course you earn a commission. Okay, so one of the most popular platforms is clickbank.com. They have thousands of products here. Probably one of the most popular niches would be health and fitness. So if I go here, you can see here, let's say that the Cinderella solution is the most popular right now. You just grab a link here, and what you do is you use this link to promote it. You can use something like bit.ly to shorten this ugly link, of course, and then all you need to do is drive traffic to this offer. Okay, it can be anything from actually posting videos on YouTube like we are here. It can be actually posting on Facebook groups. You can do a blog if you're good at writing, you can do blogging there. So a lot of ways to drive traffic to it. And the same goes for Amazon. This is another option that you can make money as an affiliate marketer. They have millions of products here that you can promote, okay? You can earn a commission from anything you promote inside Amazon here. So it works the same way. It totally depends on your niche here, how you can drive traffic to it. Alright, let's move on to another bonus option here, and that is actually to sell stuff on eBay. I mean, have a look at what you have available that you don't use at your home. You can get started to sell this, or you can actually use this platform to buy something and sell it much higher. So you can be a sort of a middleman here. So this is another option. Tons of ways and opportunities to make money on eBay. And you can of course do this from your home without any investment here also if you want to. Okay, let's move on to something totally different here, a final one. I think we're up to number 9 here. You go to earnably.com, and what you do here is you get you complete offers and you get rewards. Okay, you get rewarded. You can actually have a closer look at this here. If you go to the About section, what you do is you redeem your points. You earn points here for doing different things, simple tasks, watching videos, answering surveys, and of course you redeem your points here for instant cash rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. And PayPal is probably the number 1 preferred option here. Alright, so there you have it, 6 plus 3 bonus ways on how to earn money from home without any investment here. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my number 1 recommendation right here below, so you can have a closer look at it when we finish the video here, of course. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation that you can have a look at. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.